If you're using Blender 4.2 and are confused about where your favorite add-ons went, it's quite possible that they are now found in the Extensions tab. This happened, for example, with the Loop Tools, Pool Tool, F2, Skinify Rig and the extra Mesh and Curve objects. After you install Blender 4.2, you need to click on Allow Online Access in the Extensions tab. You can also enable or disable online access in the System tab. Then search for your favorite add-ons and click on Install. After that, you'll find them enabled in the add-ons list. Or go to the Extensions website and click on one of the add-ons there. Click on Get Add-on and drag and drop it on Blender to install it. To install older or third-party add-ons manually, click on the drop-down icon and choose Install from Disk.